If you're getting an Epic Games error during checkout, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you the quickest ways to fix it and get your purchase completed. This usually happens because of payment detail mismatches, a browser or launcher cache issue, or even a VPN interfering with the checkout process. So stay with me and we'll go through the fixes step by step. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. First, before you do anything else, double check your payment details. Make sure the billing address matches your card exactly, the name is entered correctly, and the expiration date, CVV, and zip code are all accurate. Even a small mismatch can cause Epic Games checkout to fail. If everything looks correct and you're still seeing the error, move on to the next fix. A very common solution is to clear the Epic Games launcher Webcache. This removes corrupted temporary data that can block the checkout page from loading properly. To do that, first fully close the Epic Games launcher. Make sure it is not just minimized. You can also check the system tray and exit it completely if needed. Next, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run window. In the box, type %local app data % and press Enter. A File Explorer window will open in your local app data folder. From here, find and open the Epic Games Launcher folder. Then, open the saved folder inside it. Inside saved, look for the Webcache folder. Once you find the Webcache folder, delete it. If you see more than one Webcache folder, you can delete those as well. Don't worry, this is safe, and the launcher will rebuild the cache automatically the next time it opens. After deleting the folder, restart your computer. This helps clear anything still stuck in memory and gives the launcher a fresh start. After your PC restarts, open the Epic Games launcher again and try the checkout one more time. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem. If you still get an error, try disabling your VPN if you're using one. Epic Games checkout can sometimes fail when a VPN changes your location or causes payment verification issues. Turn it off completely, then try the purchase again. Also, if the launcher still doesn't work properly, try completing the purchase in a web browser instead. Open your browser and go to the Epic Games website. If needed, try using an incognito or private window, since that helps avoid cached session issues or login conflicts. Sign in, go to checkout, and attempt the purchase there. Sometimes the browser version works even when the launcher doesn't. So to recap, the best fixes are checking your payment details, clearing the Epic Games launcher webcache, disabling your VPN, and trying the purchase in a browser or incognito mode. These steps solve the most common Epic Games checkout errors without needing anything advanced. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow and it lets you see more quick fixes like this whenever you run into app or gaming errors. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.